Okay, the first thing you're going to do is hook the mixer up to your truck. Next, you'll drive your truck around with the mixer and you'll back it up to the machine that dispenses the concrete into the mixer. Next, you'll add water to the mixer. Next, we take the mix over to our job site. We've laid out a tarp so that we don't get concrete on the asphalt. Now you'll want to get your wheelbarrows lined up. There's a couple levers on the mixer. You tilt your mixer down. And as you can see, when it's full, it doesn't take much to get the mix out. Always better to not overfill the wheelbarrow. And of course, when you're finished, it's important that you have an area where you can wash out the concrete residue from the mixer. That's a must. This is another how-to video from Restoring Florida Homes.